Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Erazer XP6 AI Translation Earbuds, a product that claims to offer real-time translation in 150 languages, high-quality sound, and long battery life. But are these earbuds legit or just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out. On paper, the XP6 AI earbuds sound impressive. They come with an intelligent display screen on the charging case, allowing you to adjust volume and even take pictures. They promise crystal clear sound, a comfortable fit, and up to 40 hours of battery life with the charging case. With AI-powered translation, they seem perfect for travelers and language learners. But do they actually work? Unfortunately, many users report serious issues. The translation feature is not real-time as advertised. Instead, you must let a person finish talking, then manually press stop to get a translation. That's far from seamless. Some users even tested them with anime subtitles and found inaccurate translations, making the feature unreliable. There are also connectivity issues. The app is buggy, Bluetooth often fails to connect, and calls randomly drop. Many users also complain about the charging case malfunctioning and the earbuds shutting off unexpectedly. Worse, some say the earbuds stopped working after just a few days. Another red flag is pricing. These earbuds are sold on multiple websites like Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba, often at different price points. This suggests they are drop-shipped or rebranded, not a high-quality product. So, are the XP6 AI earbuds worth it? Based on reviews, it's risky. The translation is unreliable, sound quality is poor, and build quality is questionable. If you're looking for legit AI earbuds, consider more reputable brands. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.